everyone, welcome back to Richa's Kitchen Recipes, and today I'm going to make easy corn pakoda. So now let's get started. So these are the following ingredients we need. 150 grams of boiled sweet corn, salt as per your taste, oil for frying, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 cup of gram flour or besan. So now we have to grind this boiled sweet corns partly. So let's grind this partly. Grind this only for 5 seconds. Don't grind too much, it should be like this. Now let's take it out in a bowl. Now in this add salt as per your taste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half cup of gram flour or besan. Now mix it well. Mix it with the help of the hands and add a little bit of water and make a thick batter. It is done now. Let's fry our pakodas. In a wok, take some oil for frying. Let it heat. Now fry our pakodas. Let's fry our pakodas. It is done. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. It is done. Now let's serve this. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, please give it a try and enjoy!